Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to help you understand opacity and blend modes in CapCut. First, select your layer where you want to edit the blending options on, and then in the video settings, under the basic category, scroll down and here you have the blending options. Opacity controls how see-through your clip is. Low opacity means more of the background shows. This is perfect for soft effects, ghosting or layered looks. To change the blending modes, press on mode. Here you're greeted with 11 different blending modes. Let's go through them all. The default one is the normal one. No blending, just shows the clip normally. Use this when you want it fully visible and untouched. Color dodge. Brightens the base layer depending on the brightness of the blend layer. Great for adding glow or lighting effects. Linear burn. Darkens the base by reducing brightness. This is harsher and more intense. Good for creating strong shadows or moody looks. Hard light. This acts like a spotlight. Bright parts get brighter, dark parts get darker. Intense and punchy. This is great for drama or contrast. Multiply. Always darkens. Great for adding shadows or blending textures into a base. Color stacks like ink on paper. Color burn. Darkens with more contrast and saturation. Can create rich and intense shadows or distressed effects. Overlay. This keeps highlights bright and shadows dark. Commonly used for adding contrast and texture without overdoing it. Brighten. Compares both layers and keeps the lighter pixels. Useful for removing black backgrounds or blending fire, flame, light effects. Darken. Darken is opposite of brighten. Keeps the darker pixels. Great for blending grunge textures or replacing white backgrounds. Soft light. Like a gentle version of overlay. Subtle contrast. Great for photo retouching or soft color grading. And the last option we have is screen. Screen brightens the image up by inverting colors and multiplying. This is ideal for highlights, flares or dreamy glows. Commonly used in beauty edits and lighting effects. And don't forget, you can change the opacity no matter the blend mode. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.